I haven't bought bread in a year. I just mixed chickpeas and lentils. This recipe has absolutely no flour, no eggs, and no dairy products. Haven't baked like this before? No worries. This recipe is very easy. First, soak 150 grams of chickpeas overnight. Soaking makes them softer, easier to blend, and much lighter on the stomach, easier to digest. I'd love to know which country you are watching from. Put your country's flag or name in the comments below.
The soaked red lentils are added to the blender and pureed until smooth and creamy.
Mixing and leavening. The mixture is stirred. A teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt are added and mixed in thoroughly.
Let cool completely before slicing. Gluten-free bread needs time to set.